We are unveiling the top 7 nail designs using gel polish that are taking the beauty world by storm. From timeless classics with a modern twist to bold and innovative creations, these designs are sure to elevate your manicure game. Here are 7 trendy nail designs using gel polish. Number 1. French ombre. This classic design puts a modern twist on the traditional French manicure. Instead of a stark white tip, the nails are painted with a gradient of color that fades from a light shade at the cuticle to a darker hue at the tip. Gel polish allows for seamless blending and long-lasting wear. Number 2. Marble effect. Mimicking the natural swirls and patterns of marble. This design adds a touch of sophistication to your nails. Gel polish makes it easier to create intricate marble designs, whether you opt for subtle neutrals or bold, contrasting colors. Number 3. Geometric patterns. Geometric nail art is all the rage, and gel polish provides the perfect medium for precise lines and shapes. From simple triangles and squares to intricate hexagons and chevrons, the possibilities are endless for creating eye-catching geometric designs. Number 4. Metallic accents. Elevate your manicure with metallic accents using gel polish in gold, silver, or rose gold. Whether you choose to add a metallic stripe, accent nail, or intricate foil design, the reflective shine of metallic gel polish adds instant glamour to any nail look. Number 5. Negative space. Embrace the minimalist trend with negative space nail art, which incorporates bare nails into the design for a modern, edgy look. Gel polish allows for clean lines and long-lasting wear. Whether you opt for simple stripes, cutouts, or geometric shapes. Number 6. Floral patterns. Bring a touch of springtime to your nails with delicate floral patterns. Gel polish provides vibrant color and long-lasting wear, making it perfect for intricate floral designs, ranging from dainty daisies to bold blooms. Number 7. Glitter gradient. Add a touch of sparkle to your manicure with a glitter gradient using gel polish, whether you opt for a subtle shimmer or full-on sparkle. Gel polish ensures a smooth, durable finish that lasts for weeks without chipping. These are just a few ideas to inspire your next nail art creation using gel polish. Get creative and experiment with different colors, textures, and techniques to find the perfect design that suits your style. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more nail tutorials, tips, and trends. Until next time, stay fabulous and keep those nails looking flawless. Bye for now.